Hello, friends. Welcome to Technology and You. Today I'm here with another unboxing, and this time I've got AirPod 3. So let's open the box which I have received today. I must say, this is really very neatly packed. The AirPods are absolutely safe. Well done, Apple. This is really nice. Thank you. The box doesn't say AirPod 3 or anything, it says just AirPods. MagSafe charging case. In India, these AirPods cost 18,500 rupees. Similar, no plastic packaging by Apple. In the box, we get the paperwork. Here are the AirPods in the MagSafe case. Let's open this, the MagSafe charging case for the AirPod. And there we are, these are the AirPods. These are a mixture of AirPod Pro and the previous version of AirPod. Let's connect them with the iPhone. As soon as we open the lid, the iPhone will detect the AirPods and they'll get connected. It shows how the media is controlled with the AirPods, announce calls and notifications. We'll press continue, I think. Yeah, everything is activated. Let us say not now. So this shows the amount of battery power left in the AirPods and the MagSafe case. There we are, connected. Let's see what else is there in the box. These are really lightweight and fits very well in my ear. Let me try the other one as well. Let's see what else is there. So we have the charging cable. This has a lightning port at one end, and I think just like the iPhone, and the other end has type C connector. Yes, this is a type C connector which will go into any charger that you're using. So this is it, the new AirPods version 3 by Apple. I ordered it the day they were launched, and here they are with me now. So I'll listen and feel the experience with them, and I'll give you my views on it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and continue with your support.